Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my project mini build. Today I'm going to be concentrating on the front end still. So in the last episode you saw me fit the driver's side front strengthening member. I've done the passenger side. There's no point in filming that, just same as driver's side. So both inner wings are attached to the subframe and both strengthening bars are in, as you can see here. So they're all just mocked up at the moment with just some bolts I had laying around. I need to get some proper length bolts and that. Now I know how long I need everything. My aim for today is to try and get some of the material removed from this front end to allow me to fit the flip front, and then maybe try and start working out how I'm going to hinge it. We'll just have to see. I don't know, I haven't quite figured that bit out yet. See where things line up and how close things are as to what I can make for hinges. I will have it flipping forwards. I know a lot of people have them going up in conventional style, but I'm not fussed by having them forward. I'm going to try and make it a semi quick release front end, so it should just be a case of undoing a couple of nuts and then the whole front end will come off, so that should make it nice and easy to work on. First thing I'm going to do though is strip all of the front end, get rid of all the lights, arches and some wiring behind it. Probably going to leave the grille on for now. I think I probably will replace the grille, but it's riveted on, so I'll just leave it for now. It's not really going to get in the way. I just want to try and get as much weight off it as possible to make it easier to lift on and off, really. That's the only reason for doing it. I've got all new bits going on, so I don't need to keep any of this lot. These lights are pretty crusty and that, so I've got a couple of sets of brand new lights and everything to go on. So and arches, obviously I'm going to be putting the same arches on the rear. So yeah, I'll get into it. And that's the reason why I'm not using these lights. They are pretty wrecked. So, there goes the bin. One of the things that annoys me greatly about this front end I got it at a very good price, so you know, can't complain at that. But indicator that is in completely the wrong place. It offends me hugely. So I think I'm going to go to the effort of removing it, filling it in, trying to make it look as good as possible, and putting it in the right place, because you just can't. That just looks stupid. So, right, that's this side done. On to the next side. Well, that's most of the excess metal chopped out. It's fitting not too bad. It's a little bit hard up against the front panel inner wing in there, so I need to remove a little bit more from in there. But overall, it's not too bad. I need to finish this, clean that up a little bit, but that can all be done later. But it's hard up against the A panels, both sides, so I'm happy with that. I think what I'm going to do is weld in 2 tabs behind each A panel, just to stick out sort of 10mm or so, just so that when the bonnet shuts it's got something to locate on, because obviously it's going to have the these on the outside, but it just needs something to hold it out. It's got holes in here for bonnet pins. I think for now I'm probably going to use those. It's not really necessarily a long-term plan, but just for a little bit of extra security really of it. Still not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with a hinge at the front, but I'm thinking something off here and bolts to the front is probably going to be the easiest thing to do, I think. Yeah, something removable so I can easily get the bonnet off if I need to. And yeah, we'll see where we go, I guess. But it's all looking pretty good up there. So this is the bit, still got to remove a bit more from there. It's a little bit hard up on this side. Not quite sure why just this side and not the other side, but it's all nice up there. So I'm going to put a load of foam up on underneath here that it can sit on, so it doesn't vibrate, and say sort of acts as a bit of a air shield. Try and keep the air flowing as it would in a normal steel fronted Mini. So I was discussing with my wife just now. I think probably this is sort of quite a bit of work needs doing to this front end with regards to repairs and stuff like that. So I think what I'm going to do is put this on, get it all on now for MOT and that, and then I think maybe 6 months down the line or something, I'll buy a brand spanking new one, just so I can drill all the holes where I want and do what I want with it. But this is definitely going to be a really good one for getting me on the road. So yeah, chuffed for that. And it seems, I mean, it's only held on with the 2 clamps, and it seems pretty good. Strip of foam all along there as well, just to stop any vibrations. Yeah, I mean, overall pretty chuffed for that. Yeah, so that's it for today's episode. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.